Turn those speakers up.
Radio. Design the water. Design the water. Design the water. There's what I'm sipping. Design the water. Design the water. Design the water. That's what I'm sipping. Design the water. Design the water. Design the water. That's what I'm sipping. Design the water. Design the water. Design the water. That's what I'm sipping. Sipping designer. Your girlfriend, she can sign up. When she sign up, I find her, put her up in my basement. Then I might have to chase it, then do a replacement on my fucking replacement. Shit, nigga, get with it. Y'all weaker than midgets. Niggas talking but quitting. How you talking but quitting? My kush be on some fitness. Lifting weights on some fit shit. I'ma finish these beats like I finished the sessions. Design the water. Design the water. Design the water. That's what I'm sipping. Design the water. Design the water. Design the water. That's what I'm sipping. Design the water. Design the water. Design the water. That's what I'm sipping. Design the water. Design the water. Design the water. That's what I'm sipping. All praises to Yahweh. Bahashem. Yahweh Shak. Bahashem Rakakadash. What it do? YouTube/Patreon. Today's video, I want to talk about the Mislead is hired by the Vatican to mislead the misled. I said the Mislead is hired by the Vatican to mislead the misled. So, you have a lot of entities out here, devils, demons, sellouts, ancient mama type niggas, right? But real talk though, like I'm laughing, but this topic is way more serious than you think. See, it's just like the movie They Live. It's crazy they took that movie off. They took the movie off YouTube because people been that movie helped people draw and put the dots together of what's really going on a grand scale. I know that movie really helped me, in a lot of aspects. But that movie, They Live, it shows you every time you watch that movie, I can speak for myself. Every time I watch that movie, I find something new inside of that movie. If that makes sense. Like I find like something new that I didn't see, like a new perspective. For example, that movie shows you a lot of things, but it shows you that somebody that's sitting right next to you, or even virtually, somebody that's on the internet as well, can look like you. They can sound like you. They can make it sound good. Excuse me, and they can be an agent. Or not even they could be. They are agents. And their whole job is to mislead. Misled because they were misled, right? So, for example, you got people out here that they've been through some very wicked experiences, and they at the time they just didn't know what to do. They probably had to make a decision right then and there. But life is about choices. You don't have to necessarily make a decision right then and there. But they probably, more than likely not connected with Yahweh or Yahushua, or just with the Holy Spirit, or just with that gift of discernment, that comes with the Holy Spirit, or the Spirit of the divine.
that spirit, that nature. You see what I'm saying? They probably didn't have the ability. You see what I'm saying? Because they were non-believers, and they said, fuck it. If selling my soul is the way to go, and then they gonna do it. And what their job is they found out later in life, or not even later in life, they probably found out a day, a week, a couple months, a couple years, after they sold their soul, they found out, or they seen somebody else doing something that they're doing, or that's something that they wanted to do, and they see that this person did it genuinely, and they can do it genuinely, and you don't have to sell your soul. That it really broke the rest of the spirit that they probably had left over. You see what I'm saying? Because they just sold their soul to get something materialistic, and then they just seen or heard about somebody that did the same thing they did without selling their soul. Like, for example, this person was so weak-minded that they let their peers or some entity talk them into, oh, come with me to this, come with me to the Vatican. Let's do this. They say it's that. They say it's this. Oh, okay. Well, it gotta be this. They show it on TV all the time. So it gotta be some truth to it. You see what I'm saying? Like these type of entities, and they end up getting tricked, and they got misled. You see what I'm saying? And they wanted to be, they wanted to be a model. You see what I'm saying? Or a fashion designer, or they wanted to be an actress. You see what I'm saying? Or some shit like that, right? Example. And they weak. They thought they could just get it with a quick fix. So they said, yeah, we gonna do this shit, they gonna do these rituals, blah blah blah. And then they see somebody or heard about somebody else that is a model, upcoming model, or upcoming actress or something, that grinded it out, went through all the hard work, the obstacles, and actually doing the same thing that this person doing on the big level, but they didn't sell their soul. You see, that breaks them because they did all this wicked, disgusting stuff, right? As in, believe it or not, even these YouTube motherfuckers, you have to sell your soul to go big on YouTube. Don't get me wrong. Don't get my words misconstrued. There's some YouTubers out there that got big followers that actually genuinely got a following just naturally. Like, you have those people out there like that genuinely they got that gravitational pull, and they just was able to get that type of fan base. That's very rare. You see what I'm saying? There is people out there. So if you know that that's you, then I'm not talking about you, of course, but you have people out here that have big followings that sold these souls. They went to their local voodoo priestess, witch doctor, Ouija board. They fucking with some real Luciferian shit. And they so dumb that they think, if I don't believe in it, then it ain't real. You see what I'm saying? And they think they didn't sell their soul, but they did. And now they know, like, because they have handlers. Anybody that sells their soul has a handler. Like, for example, you see a lot of these celebrities. Not all, but a large 95% of them. They can't go out in public by themselves. They always gotta have an entourage or a group of motherfuckers with them, because that's not them. That's usually they clone, or that's just like, you know what I'm saying? They just need an entourage of people with them out there, because they just agents. You see what I'm saying? They need this extra sense of protection. You see what I'm saying? And a lot of these people, they like I said, they've been through something tragic, then they end up going to their local voodoo priestess or some shit like that, and they playing with like black magic and shit like that, and they think it is not real, and they have handlers, and when they handler actually sit them down and show them, like, tell them what they have to do through these rituals, because most people get tricked. You see what I'm saying? Most people, that's usually how they get 95% of the people. They trick them. Usually that's how they get them. Most people, then you got that other 5% of people who just so disgusting as a human being that they just sell their soul, and they knowingly know that they sold their soul. You have people out there like that too. It's probably more of them bastards. And anyway, really, it's people who get tricked into this shit. And they get misled when they sit down and they realize that they can't talk about no true information. They cannot, they can't even touch the Bible. They can't even talk about it. Anybody who do talk about it or talk about any type of truth or even trying to attempt to even find any type of truth, they, they label them, shit like that. They label them, they try to attack them, they try to debunk it. That's what they do. The misled has to mislead the misled. You see what I'm saying? That's their whole job. So there's a lot of people out here that they get fabricated with the numbers. Oh, this person got these many numbers. They say a little bit of shit that makes sense. They say a little bit of shit that makes sense, and I think I believe it, and they get misled. And this is how a lot of people end up in these fucked up situations where they get misled. You see what I'm saying? But they're hired to mislead the misled. Because once they actually sit down and understand what they really did, then they know that their job is to deceive you and as many people as possible. What they do is they try to befriend you. Try to befriend you, give you what you want, try to blind you with this shit, but the whole time they taking notes on you. Trying to see how you tick. They're trying to see all this other shit and all this other shit. They're trying to set you up for the kill. They're trying to set you up for the blood sacrifice. But you gotta be on your game. You see what I'm saying? Real shit, put your spiritual armor on, walk by faith, not by sight. A lot of people say, oh, I can't do that.